Welcome to our comparison of two popular mini washing machines, the WonderWash and the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and value for money, helping you make an informed decision for your laundry needs. When it comes to capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry, making it ideal for small loads. In contrast, the Erivess boasts a significant capacity of 20 pounds for washing and 12 pounds for spinning, making it a better choice for larger households or those who do laundry more frequently. This difference in capacity can greatly affect your laundry experience, especially if you have a lot of items to wash. The WonderWash operates manually, which means it requires physical effort to wash your clothes. This can be a great eco-friendly option, but it may not be suitable for everyone. On the other hand, the Erivess features electric operation, allowing for a more convenient and faster washing experience. This makes it easier to use, especially for those who may have difficulty with manual labor. In terms of price, the WonderWash is significantly more affordable at just $69, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the Erivess is priced at $199, which reflects its larger capacity and electric features. While the higher price may be justified for some, it's essential to consider your specific needs and budget when making a decision. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub have their unique advantages. The WonderWash is perfect for those who prioritize portability and affordability, while the Erivess offers greater capacity and convenience for larger loads. Whichever you choose, make sure it fits your lifestyle and laundry needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.